everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about FlutterFlow news and updates. And this current update is from 22nd of July. So I'm a couple of days late, but you know me already. So before jumping into this video, I just want to say thank you very much for all the people who have subscribed to my YouTube channel and who is actually continue watching those videos because for some reason, I see less and less people are actually watching my videos. Probably they're not as excited as they were at the beginning. But yeah, that's me. Actually, I try to be consistent, so that's what it matters to me at least. So yeah, just if you can give me the support because I see the numbers getting down and down and down, and now they're very low. But yeah, if you are actually one of the guys watching these videos or girls, let me know by liking this video or maybe commenting. Share the love, share the support. Thank you very much. And also, of course, I just want to say thank you very much for all the people who are actually continue being paid members to my YouTube channel, which is much, much appreciated. But yeah, now let's jump into this video. So today we're going to talk about two major updates. This is not a major update, but there are only two things that we are going to mention. And the first thing that we're going to mention is actually the Git merge, which is in beta right now. But what Git merge actually, I didn't know about Git merge. There was a user in my live session yesterday. Every Wednesday I do live sessions. So thank you very much for pushing me actually uh, to look into this matter. So let me show you how the new Git merge works and what it's actually doing. So if I click here right now, I have only, this is the button for branching and I have only one branch. So what I want to do is first make sure that you have created a commit, sorry, and then I can create a new branch. So let me say new, it will be my new branch, and this is a parent branch, it will be the main branch. Here it says that this everything is okay because I have made a commit. So I'm just creating a new, okay, new, it's actually a reserved word. So let's say my new branch, and I'm just creating this branch. And it would take a couple of minutes to create, or seconds actually, not minutes. And when it's done, actually, you're going to see that when you click on branch, you're going to see two branches right now. So you have the current branch, which is this one, and you have the main branch, which is this one over here. So how branching is actually working is that right now, if I change something, so for example, here in this title over here, I can just see this is my new branch, and that's the text that I'm going to change. So now let's say I want to merge those two branches. First of all, I need to commit. So create a commit over here and say changed title and say commit. Then wait a little bit for this commit to be saved. Now it's saved. Okay, great. And now we can actually merge our branches. So what we want is that we want to merge the new branch, which is this, it should be the fourth. Every time it should be the fourth option. You want to merge the new branch into the main branch. So this is the one that you want. You don't want this one, you want this one actually. Most of the time, actually. It depends, of course, what you want, but most of the time you want this one. So when you click it, it will say setting up merge, and then you get a new display. So that's the new display. That's what you actually see it from over here from the FlutterFlow demo. And you're actually seeing the difference between what is the main version, what is the new version in my new branch. So this is the main version. This is the my new branch version. You cannot change those. You cannot change those. You can see that they're locked. file is not editable, and you can see this one file is not editable. But you can actually see, so if I click this icon over here, which is the eye icon, you're going to see that the actual text or the actual thing that you have changed. And you can go over here, see how it was in the main, see how it was in the other branch, my new branch, and see when you accept changes. So there is something interesting here. This is the new one that is coming from my new branch, and it's going to be merged in the main. So this is going to be changed from this text over here. It will be going to change to this text over here. But now I'm not sure why. You can actually change it from here as well. So merge change, I can just say merge change over here. And that will actually change the actual text. So I'm not sure why they did it like that. What is the purpose? But you can just say save change. And now this change will be saved. So you can actually change if you're talking about text or variables as well. So for example, if you want to change the font size, you can directly change it from here as well. You can just click on save, and now the font size is also changed. And now you have 26 here. And now you can just say merge, and it says, are you sure you want to are you sure you want to save the merge? And I would just say yes. And yeah, you can actually see the new one over here. It says merge change. This is the new text that I just added, and I made this bigger. I made it 24, 26, as you remember. So yeah, that's merging, and that's how you do merging with the new FlutterFlow Git merge beta. Now let's jump to the second one, which is current route global variable. So now we have the ability to actually access the current page global variable. You can do it from a couple of places. So one of the places that, for example, in this text over here, if I want to put the the route of the page, I just click over here to this orange button, and then click on general properties. And now we have this current route path. So if I click it, you are going to see the current route path. And I'm going to probably show you what you're actually seeing. And in the meantime, while the test mode is loading, let me actually talk you about other improvements. Have performance enhancements, that's great. Updated the canvas setting user experience, that's great. That's not something that we can actually see but we can feel it. And then we have the new features we're working on. And those are actually for, let's say, 2 or 3 months actually from now, keep on going. What this user actually, he was in the live stream yesterday. He mentioned that we don't see anymore the magic cursor over here, which I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing. I think it's a bad thing because previously we had it over here, like enhancing magic cursor. So which will that mean that they will drop the magic cursor altogether? Will they launch it? I'm not sure. They are actually like 6 months now from introducing around 6 months from introducing the magic cursor until they're actually launching it. So they haven't still launched it. I have access to magic cursor, and I have tested it as well, and it's for basic things it works great, but for more complex things it does not work perfect, to be honest. So here I have the route, which is not very excited. It's just a slash over here. But what if we actually have a different page? So what if I copy this one and create a new page, just a blank page, and I'll just say new page or whatever, and then I'll say new page. And then I want to navigate to this page, so I'm going to use that button over here to navigate. Or maybe I can use the title to navigate. So I'm going to navigate to new page. And then over here, I'm only going to show the route, which would be in the middle and then let's say like that. And I will make it a little bit more bigger, 26 probably. And then that will be our route. So wait for it to sync, and then I'm going to instant reload. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about the magic cursor. When do you think it will appear? Will it all appear? And one more thing, actually, let me actually click over here. So yeah, you can actually see the route. So it's the same as in the debug panel, but you just have access to the actual route right now. So yeah, let me know also what you think about dynamic links as well. They have FlutterFlow set that they're going to be ready with the dynamic link until the end of last year, which was like they're like 1 month late already now. So yeah, that's what we are also waiting for. But yeah, like I said, that was everything for this video. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for Javier Castro for being an elite member. If you consider being an elite member, you're going to have access to one of my projects for every month that you're being an elite member. Also, if you consider being a cadet, which is the lowest tier, you're going to access to all my live sessions. And also history of live sessions. And also, if you consider to be a fanatic, which as most of the users are, you're actually going to have access to more than 40 videos that are already only for my fanatic members, and you're going to learn a lot about FlutterFlow in general. And before I just go, I just want to let you know that I'm actually also selling and giving, and not only saying, but I have free items as well in the marketplace. So if you consider, like for example, if you want the Spotify connection, you can now get it. If you want the subscription payments using Stripe, you can now get it from the marketplace directly. If you want to have local files, for example, like images that you can display locally from the phone. You can use that marketplace item for images, for videos, for audio files as well. And here we have the toast notification, in-app notifications, which is a free item you can get. And those three are actually old items that I did a long time ago. But expect, so if you can book me actually and expect more items, either free or paid one, to be added here. So yeah, like I said, thank you very much for the support and take care. Cheers.